Yeah, viewers and subscriber, welcome back to our next video. This morning, what I will do, I will cook some brown stew, chicken wings, and cornmeal dumpling with Tania and pumpkin, sweet potato, and Irish, guys. Watch your badness, guys. What I will do now, I will put on my chicken go and cook. I will light up the stove, guys. Watch your badness in the kitchen. Yeah, guys, so this are my chicken wings, cleaning the parody. So what I will do, I will light up the stove, guys. I'll be about this. Watch about this in the kitchen, guys. I light up the stove. You can see what I go on. Soon come back. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna put some chicken season. Some hard pepper. Guys, be about this in the kitchen. Some brown stew chicken wings and some strong cornmeal dumpling with Tania, pumpkin, sweet potato, and Irish, guys. Guys, I'll be a badness in the kitchen this morning. Be a badness. I understand all. Watch it badness, guys. So yeah, guys, see me throw some season for my chicken. The overs. Guys, I'm going to use sugar and brown the chicken this morning. Yeah, guys, sugar. So watch about this. So guys, I'm going to use a little bit of the sugar to brown my chicken wings. Not too much. Guys, watch your badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah, guys, so I'm going over here. So yeah, so I'm going to put in my chicken. When I use sugar or brown your meat, you have to know where you are, because it's what I'm looking at the be a smoke and come out of pot, not true. Yeah, guys. So I'm looking at pot in the chicken, guys. Be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Just stay tuned and watch what I'm going in the kitchen. The brown stew chicken and some strong cornmeal dumpling, guys. Believe that. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna make my chicken go and cook. I'm gonna go light up the stove, put on the flour pot. You understand what I did, guys? Soon come back. So guys, I'm gonna match up some flour now. Knead up some flour. You can see what I'm going in the kitchen. Some strong cornmeal flour, guys. Believe that, some strong cornmeal dumpling. Cornmeal, yeah. Guys, some bad food in the morning, I mean, I like to tell you. I use a whole of the cornmeal, guys. So, no. Guys, I'm gonna knead up my flour, so be a badness. Yeah guys, so I want to do. Whoa, guys, watch this. The chicken brown and pretty. Yo, me not lie to tell you. Guys, be a badness. Be a badness in my kitchen, yo. Believe that. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I will cut up some gum season. See me light up my flower pot, water hot already. You understand what I did? So I'm gonna do, I cut up some ground season fast, but by the time I don't cut up my ground season, you can start putting in flour. So guys, watch your badness. Guys, as you can see, the water boil up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chew in some flour. You understand what I did? Chew in some flour, guys. Guys, some bad cornmeal flour, some brown stewed chicken. Stay tuned to the guys. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I have peel up some ground food and now showing on my pot. Over guys, a be a badness. Some strong cornmeal flour with pumpkin, Tania, sweet potato and Irish. Guys, I soon come back. Yeah guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna put in my ground food. Pumpkin, sweet potato, my Tania and my Irish. Yeah guys, be a badness. Guys, may you stay tuned till the patty done cook over. Yeah guys, so watch your badness in the kitchen. Watch over here, so chicken are going to cook. Guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. My brown stew chicken and dumpling, some strong cornmeal dumpling. Guys, watch the video. Watch what I go on. Guys, what I go on in my dumpling pot. So I go on in my salting pot, guys. Be a badness. Oh, what's the one? Guys, no lie. That one I fell off. Believe that. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys. Soon come back. Don't season, guys. I never have to put up a skeleton on time, guys. I will put him up. Yeah guys, so watch what I going over here. Food I cook. Yeah. Be a badness, guys. Salting pot. Brown stew chicken, guys. guys. Make it go down. Stay tuned to the finishing.